Things I wish I knew when I first started knitting. Why stocking stitch always curls up.
In order to understand why stocking stitch curls, we need to take a look at the actual anatomy of the stitches themselves. What you see here is that the V's of the stocking stitch fabric are a little wider and a little shorter than the purl bumps on the back here, so you tend to pull in and be a bit taller. And all of that leads to an imbalance in the size and weight of the fabric. These shorter stitches on the back here want to pull in, and the taller element of the fabric on the back wants to roll down. So this is why it is not a good idea to make your first scarf or any flat piece of fabric purely in stocking stitch, because you're always going to fight this curl and you'll be losing a lot of the fabric and the work that you've done. What's the solution? Well, you can create borders around your fabric like this. That helps to reduce, if not eliminate, the curl. But for things like scarves and shawls, you are better off using a more balanced stitch. A really classic example is garter stitch, and you can see that there's a balance there because we are spreading these knit V's and these purl bumps all the way through the fabric. Or a simple rib or moss stitch as well will definitely do the trick.
If you enjoyed this tip, then be sure to hit follow. We'll be back soon with more.